Greetings and welcome to InfoTrend. Today we are excited to introduce our new NVMe-based expansion enclosure, JBOF. JB4024U U.2 SSD expansion enclosure is designed to expand the capacity of our U.2 storage systems with a maximum capacity of up to 4.4 petabytes using our 60 terabyte NVMe drives and delivering up to 24 gigabytes per second throughput performance. This product uses competitively priced U.2 SSDs, offering excellent cost to performance value. A single unit can add up to 1.47 petabytes of space, and up to 3 units can be connected to the main RAID system, expanding the capacity to a total of 4.4 petabytes. As mentioned before, each unit supports 24 U.2 SSDs with the current maximum capacity of 60 terabytes per drive. Each expansion delivers up to 24 gigabytes per second of read and write performance, which is approximately 50% higher than SAS SSD JBODs. Moreover, U.2 NVMe drives are also offered at around 20% lower cost compared to the regular SAS SSDs, making JBOF not only an improvement from a performance perspective, but also making them a more budget-friendly solution overall. Currently, JB4024U supports GS5000U, GS4000U, and GS3000UT series with the following performance metrics. For GS5024UE, it would be 24 gigabytes of read and 20 gigabytes of write. GS4024U, 22 gigabyte of read and 13 gigabyte of write, and GS3024UT would be 20 gigabytes of read and 8 gigabyte of write. Now let's take a look at some use cases where using JBOF expansion enclosure can give us a noticeable advantage. First case is related to AI training. It requires a system with high performance and enough storage capacity to store all of the data that is being used. In our example, the data that is being actively trained on is stored on GS5024UE with 50 gigs of read and 20 gigs of write throughput, while the data that has been processed already is stored on JB4024U with a larger usable capacity. Next is media and entertainment. In this case, a studio was looking for an all-flash storage solution that would allow 20 to 30 workstations to simultaneously use Final Cut Pro to edit 4K video files. Another key requirement for them was the ability to expand the usable capacity of the system in the future. All of these prerequisites are met by a combination of our GS4024U system with the JB4024U expansion enclosure. With the high level of performance shown by our GS4024U, we can easily support 30 workstations, and we provide enough usable capacity for all the studio's needs. Besides, of course, we will be able to expand our solution even more by adding more JBOFs in the future. Lastly, a backup case. As you know, backups involve writing large volumes of data requiring ample capacity and high write performance to reduce backup time windows. One GS3024UT with 3 JB4024 units can be equipped with 96 30 terabyte SSDs, providing 2.9 petabyte of backup storage. Now let's dive into the high-performance storage demo. For capacity expansion, we have introduced JB4024U, our NVMe JBOF. Here we connected one GS4024U storage system with 3 JBOF enclosures, populated with 48 7 terabyte SSDs for 300 terabytes of usable capacity. This can be expanded further with up to 3 JBOF units connected to one GS controller. All capacity and JBOF statuses can be monitored through our intuitive U.2 web management interface. The last thing we want to highlight here is our JBOF setup. Currently we have 3 units connected to our GS4024UR model, and they are populated with enough NVMe drives to create a separate pool with a usable capacity of over 300 terabytes. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please feel free to scan the QR code on your screen to go directly to our website and check out our new products. We will be waiting for your feedback.